So how to use that jQuery library, how to write simple jQuery functionality. We are going to see the one example. For that purpose, I need to go to my workspace. This is my workspace. Here I need to create one simple folder. That folder name is, I need to provide here jQuery ex. I'm going to providing examples. I need to open the Visual Studio Code here, CMD. Command prompt I'm opening and code space dot. It is going to opening the VS Code. It is opening the VS Code. In this particular location folder, I'm going to create one example. How to create example? HTML file only. Example.html or example1.html. Here HTML structure is, I need to fetch. How to get that one? Exclamatory symbol I'm using, we can get the HTML structure. Here meta tags are not required. Remove this one. Here I need to provide here jQuery example. That is my title, browser title. So first step is what? I need to attach jQuery CDN. How it is going to get the CDN link? Where it is available? Open the browser. Open the browser level. You can search like this: jQuery CDN and press enter. You can see here release.jquery.com site is available. Even cdnjs.com libraries level also it is available. You can click this one. This is the jQuery. So here uncompressed and compressed kind of things also, different kind of versions are available. Okay, many kind of things are also available. What kind of library we are using, you can use that one. 3.x related kind of one. This is uncompressed and slim. This mean different kind of things are available. Okay, so if I'm going to using uncompressed your HTML level, this library code also it is including that one. Okay, so just we are going to see slim kind of one. Just I'm going to click this one. We can get the CDN link. Slim, this kind of it is there. Suppose if I want to use this one, click this one, we can get like this. Anything you can use, not a problem. Not a problem, anything you can use. This is the kind of way you need to use that one. code.jquery.com/version. This integrity, cross browser, that and all, even you are not defined also not a problem. The integrity and crossing attributes are used for sub-resource integrity checking. This allows browser to ensure that resources hosted on third-party servers. Third-party services level we are going to deploy. That is the cases level it is useful. Otherwise, simply ignore those one. Simply need to copy in the header session level. Paste this one. Even you are not at all using cross-browser integrity, not a problem. You can remove. Simply you need to define like this. This is the way we are going to get the jQuery functionality in your HTML. Next, where I need to write jQuery, how to write? We need to use here script tag. Within the script tag level, we are going to write the jQuery code. Here we are going to write the jQuery code. Simple kind of code I am going to providing this one. Body level. What is the purpose of writing this one? Here I am going to writing one paragraph. One paragraph I am going to writing. This paragraph recognition purpose I am going to provide the ID. This ID is I'm going to providing here my element. You can give anything. Here I need to write simple kind of message. Let us assume this is the original test message. This is the way we are going to define the paragraph. I need to change that element with the ID. I need to change that message. Whenever I'm going to mouse over on that one, okay, I need to change that one. How to write the jQuery? Here jQuery syntax is dollar symbol we are going to using. Where I need to change document level, that there is a document I'm going to providing here. The document is ready, browser level it is ready. Then I need to perform the one function. What is the function? I need to define the function here. Function, one function I'm going to return here. This function through I'm going to recognizing this particular paragraph element. How to recognizing that one? Dollar symbol we need to use, and we need to provide here element dot that element level test I need to change. So that there is a test. What the test is required? I need to provide here new test message. New test message. New test message. This is the way we are going to define. This is the jQuery. We need to test this one. How to test? Open this one. We are going to see like this. Here, this kind of one, I need to change, right? I need to provide that one jQuery function. Whenever you are going to using this test message, whatever the test is there here, I need to perform one event. You need to mouse over on whenever it is reloaded. Whenever you are going to load that one, whenever I'm going to load that one, this is the way it is going to display. So here jQuery select the element bind event. Here one event it is going to binding. We are just syntax only we are going to observe. Okay. Here whenever DOM, it is DOM means HTML structure is generated. The DOM level value if I want to manipulate, you want to change the text of an element with the ID my element. You need to use jQuery kind of code we need to use. We need to specify the jQuery kind of one we need to specify. So this is the kind of way we need to specify that one. You can use different kind of versions also. Here there are different kind of versions. If you want to change the lower version, go to here 3.6.0 also it is available. Whatever the version you want, you can specify that one. This is the way internally it is going to generating that 3.6.0 level code is written JavaScript based. The people are written that one. That is the internally it is available. This file level internally it is available. Okay. So that one, once you are going to providing, I need to get this kind of way. Here I need to perform some action based. Okay. I need to change that one. Here we need to understand change the text of an element with ID. I need to change that one. That is the kind of functionality purpose. Just I'm showing the syntax, but you need to understand here more. What the meaning of this one? Dollar symbol we are using, that is the syntax. Document is white area. Whenever it is ready, we need to perform some action. This action is it is going to changing. But here, whenever you are using ID, you need to specify hash symbol. Hash symbol also you need to provide that one. Then only it is reflected. Okay. See, whenever it is loaded, refresh it, it is going to get that one. Actual message is what? Original test message. But whenever I'm going to using that ID, whenever it is ready, it changes that one automatically. This is the one simple kind of example I'm showing dynamically how it is going to working. Simple kind of one example you are observed. Okay. Now we need to see some other kind of one. We are going to using different kind of way, different kind of colors, random colors, background paragraph colors. I need to change. How to develop that one? How to develop that one? We need to understand. Okay. So one more example I'm going to creating. One more example. Please concentrate. Just understanding is enough. You no need to expertise all these kind of things. But interview point of view, as a React developer, sometimes people are asking, do you know jQuery basics? That is the purpose I'm going to explaining this one. I'm going to creating what? Another kind of example 2.html. This HTML structure is required. Exclamation symbol and press enter. Here meta tags are, I'm not at all using, remove this one. This is what? jQuery example 2. This is the title. Here, if I want to use jQuery, what is the next step? You need to include the CDN link. How to include? Here it is there, right? Simply working one. Just copy and paste here. This is the way capabilities are getting here. Header level, we are getting that one. My intention is paragraph colors I need to change. That paragraph CSS style I need to specify. If I want to add the style HTML level, we need to use what? Style tag we are going to using. The style tag level paragraph selector I'm going to using. That selector level I'm going to provide in the padding internal space purpose. That paragraph internal space purpose 20 pixel I'm going to specify. That paragraph background color I need to specify that one. That is the purpose background color I'm going to using. And I need to specify some different kind of color. We can see what are the color we are going to get. What are the color we are going to get here. Hash symbol I'm going to using. F4 like that. I'm going to specify this one. We will see what is the color we are going to get. Otherwise, you can able to search any kind of color and you can use this one. This is the not a F0, F0, F0. White color is there. Okay. I need to provide the cursor also pointer kind of way. I need to see that one. That is the purpose. I'm going to define this one. This is the paragraph related kind of CSS. Here I need to define the one paragraph. Where body level, how to define P I'm going to using. Within that I need to provide what? ID equal to my paragraph. Here I need to provide message. What is that message? Click me to change background color. Change background color. So this paragraph background color I need to change. That is my requirement. Okay. So whenever I'm going to click, I need to change that one. So how to do that one? We need to use jQuery. If I want to use the jQuery, where I need to write script tag level. So that's the reason what is required. Script tag is required. So first of all, whenever a document is ready, I need to show some message. Na? So that's the reason first we need to specify wait for the document to the ready before running the jQuery. How to say that one? We need to say here Wait for the document to be ready before running jQuery code. Before running jQuery code. How to do that one? We need to use dollar symbol and we need to specify like this dollar symbol document dot ready. Then we need to perform here what? Function. Function we need to specify. Open the flower bracket here. This is the way we need to write the function. Here what is required? Attach a click event handler to the paragraph with ID. Okay. Here what is required? Attach a click event handler to the paragraph with ID. What is the ID? Paragraph ID. My paragraph with the ID. My paragraph ID. So how to write that one? How to write that one? Here we need to write dollar symbol. Here we need to write the ID. How to write the ID? Quotations level hash. ID means hash. What is the ID? My paragraph. Here it is there now. Just copy paste. Okay, my paragraph. Whenever I'm going to click, I need to change, right? That there is an event. Event I need to specify. What is the event? Click event. Click event. So whenever I'm going to click, I need to perform some functionality. That's the purpose. I'm going to define the function here. Function I'm going to specify here. Generate a random color and change the background color of the paragraph. Okay. Here I need to specify the comment also. Generate a random color and change the background color of the paragraph. Here paragraph. Okay, that is the functionality. How to do that one? We need to define one variable. Random color is the one variable. I need to get the colors here. Get one random color kind of method I'm going to writing here. Get random. I need to create this kind of one. Get random color. I need to define this one. Okay. Here, whenever I'm going to get that one, this color, it is going to apply into the where my paragraph background, right? That's the reason I'm going to using here dollar. Here, this means current object, that paragraph dot CSS, whatever the CSS is there, that CSS is what? Background color. We need to specify here background hyphen color. Here we need to call random color. This is the way we need to specify that one. After that, put the semicolon, this one. But what is this one? This get random color function is not at all defined. You need to define that one, right? So where it is available, this one, this is not at all declared. We need to declare that one. Here I'm going to providing that function. Function to generate a random color in hexadecimal format is required. Hexadecimal format. Okay. So here we need to define function get random color. Random color I need to generate. VAR letters equal to, I need to provide here random numbers. Hexadecimal means numbers characters are there, na? So that is the purpose 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we need to specify here A, B, C, D, E, F like that. I'm going to provide some kind of value letters. Based on these letters, I need to generate random hexadecimal format kind of one. That is the purpose. Initially, I'm going to define like this. After that, color. That color is initially, I don't know. So that there is an hash symbol I'm going to providing. Now, randomly, I need to generate that one. I need to attach in this color. So that's the purpose for loop I'm using. Variable I equal to 0 semicolon, V less than 6 different kind of colors I want to see. I plus plus, I'm using that one. Within that color plus equal to, I need to get the letters. That letters level randomly I need to pick. That is a math dot floor. Math dot floor I'm going to using within that floor. What is the purpose? Without decimal portions, I need to take the value. That is the purpose. Math dot floor. Random number how to generate? Math dot random method we need to use. This is I need to multiply. I need to get the hexadecimal number 16 digits. So other that is the reason 16 I'm going to provide it. So this is the way we need to generate here. We are going to define this is the letters is array type. I'm going to define here. I need to provide that one array symbol. This is the way we need to define the semicolon. This is the way we are going to generating. And finally, we need to return that function is that color. Return color. This is the way we are going to define. Now, how it is going to working, we need to check again. After that, again, I'm explaining that one. Here, background color by default it is available. This is the color. This color is automatically whenever I'm going to click this one, click me is there, right? Whenever I'm going to click, I need to change. It's not happening. We need to check what is the problem. What is the problem? We need to check. After explanation, you can get that clarity, whether it is getting or not, whether it is changing or not. You can able to change that effect is there or not. We can see that one. Here we are going to using math dot floor. We are using within that math dot random, and we are going to multiply the 16. And we are going to using. Okay, we need to check that one line by line. What is the problem? That CDN link is added properly. Yes, it is added. And we are going to specify CSS also. So here we are going to provide the paragraph, right? This paragraph level padding I'm going to using. What is the purpose of this one? CSS for styling the paragraph. That is the purpose. And background color we are going to define, and cursor point we are going to using. What is the purpose of cursor point? So this is the cursor point. See this one, hand symbol we are getting. Hand symbol we are getting, right? So here whenever a mouse over on that one, we can get the cursor, right? That cursor is nothing but here pointer. That is the purpose we are going to define. So next we are going to using here what? Paragraph. So paragraph we are going to using this paragraph level. I'm going to specify ID equal to my paragraph and writing the some kind of message here. Click me to change the background color like that. After that, actual jQuery code is started. So that is the purpose script tag I'm using. Script tag level, what I'm using, document is ready. So wait for the document to be ready before running the jQuery code. That is the purpose, dollar symbol, document dot ready, and I'm going to using here function. I'm started. Here within that dollar symbol, Here I need to specify whatever the ID it is there, this ID along with this one, I need to provide here hash symbol also. Hash symbol also I need to provide. So whenever I'm going to click, I need to perform some action, that there is a click I'm going to using and open the function here. So after that, we are going to using here what? Generating the random colors. So that is the purpose. One variable I'm using, random color equal to get random color. I'm going to define this one. This function we need to develop. Initially declared here. After that, after declaration is over, we need to provide here dollar this dot css, this object, this document css. I'm going to providing here css is within the quotation level background hyphen color I'm using and comma I'm passing here color value I'm going to provide. Actually background color only, css level background color only I need to change. That's the reason I'm going to specify this one. Okay, so this is the way we are going to providing functionality up to this. Once you are going to define this one, we need to define the function. This random kind of color functionality I need to define. That is the purpose. Function get random colors, and we are going to specify the letters that hash code value we are going to define. That is the purpose 0 to 9 and alphabets F up to that we are using, and we are going to adding that random number into this color. That is the reason I'm going to provide a letters like that. That hash code value, hexadecimal kind of code value, we need to start with the hash symbol. That is the reason variable color equal to hash I'm going to declare. I need to different colors is required. That the purpose for loop I'm using. I equal to 0 comma I less than 6. That means 5 different kind of colors we are going to see. I plus plus I'm using here color, whatever the color is there, that color I need to attach dynamically generated code. That's the reason I'm going to using here. Letters is array type I'm going to using. Within that math dot floor of math dot random 16 I'm going to multiply, so that random values we are getting. That is the purpose this one. So we are going to get the different kind of color. That color we are going to return that one. So that color is coming to here. That color is background color. It is going to changing. That's the main intention of this one. Okay, that is the purpose. We are going to define this kind of code. After that, I'm going to put the semicolon this one. Save it and go to the browser and refresh this one. Even I'm going to clicking also, it is not changing any kind of color. We need to test this one. How to test? Go to the inspect. See this one. Here, reference variable v is not defined. Where? Line number 29. Go to the line number 29. Where is the 29? Here we are going to using, this is the wrong. This is what that is the problem. Okay, save it. Now go to here and refresh. Yes, it is going to change in the background colors. It is changing this one. Understood? How to develop that? We are understood.